Good morning, guys. I just recorded some very negative and frustrated videos. I'm just not gonna include those. Let me tell you what my day's been like. So I woke up early. I set my alarms. I never do that, okay? In order to call different fucking places of the Danish government in order to get my health card so that I can go to the doctor, so I can have my eye taken care of, and so I can get the different shots that I need for going to Turkey and staying safe there. And of course, being homeless, I don't have any fucking rights. Like, apparently I don't have the rights to go utilize free healthcare. Well, you need an address in order to get the health card, and I don't have an address, and I'm not gonna be getting an address. But I'm a Danish citizen, so it is my birthright to have free healthcare. I don't care about all these little clauses they're coming up with. That's not how it works, okay? So now I have to go to Copenhagen to go there and tell them that I'm not gonna be leaving here until you fucking guys start the process of getting me that health card. Okay, because I need this stuff done. It's that simple. I understand that these guys cannot help me get any kind of welfare without me subjecting myself to slavery of working for them 36 hours a week. That's fine. Keep your money, guys. I'll make my own money. But I need to go to the fucking doctor, okay? It's that simple. So, yeah, hopefully these people help me out today, because otherwise I'm not actually sure what the fuck I'm gonna do. But I'm most likely gonna have a conniption. And yeah, who knows, maybe I'll end up arrested, because yeah, I'm just done with this. I'm done with this. I'm Høje Taastrup now. This is actually where me and Mike were standing around just after we had left Albertslund when we started our journey. I haven't been here since then. Oh man, I'm so frustrated. These fucking guys at the government better help me out today. Here we are, guys. Back where I got the electric unicycle. This is the street where I bought it. Going to the fucking government now.
Lord forgive me, pour the Henny, punish many, my word bond. Not James Bond, a money penny. Talk friendly or the Desi make confetti. In the cut like machete till I'm ready. QB baby, we rise to the occasion. Didn't know niggas this soon to be awakened. Out they sleep with the truth in their faces. Yelling fuck the world, I'm out here making new races. Middle finger to a racist. Hammer out, tell a coward take 10 paces. Limestone over the body, no traces. Just the basics, the other way, fake shit. Stay grip, life my main bitch, protect that. Tell you what it is, this that you ain't gotta guess rap. Everything a lesson to a fool is a setback. Shorty love my style, guess what, she keep her legs wrapped, nigga. Middle finger to our enemies, I'ma hold it down even if I catch a felony. Yeah, open season, open sesame. Anybody violate, gotta give them all the best of me. Doing shit that I wouldn't ordinarily. I'm laid back, till they came back with that jealousy. But this music is my therapy. Y'all niggas lucky cause I make it all memories.
Writing in my nocturnal journal to a dark beat on a cold dark night. I came up with these 400 words that best describe me. In my lifestyle, I'm not like you, I'm unique. In the twilight, I shine bright and get my mind right. I was born under the full moon, and I'll die staring up at the cosmos. Laid out till my heart come to a stop, and then my eyes close. I live the full life, don't cry for me. A real life king of New York, the top of the heat. I did songs with Mary J. Blige, my nigga. Mariah Carey, Big Pun, and Nas, my nigga. I did tours with Biggie Smalls, my nigga. Eminem, 50 Cent, I did it all, my nigga. The shows, the hotels, and the after parties. When that sun goes down, yeah, the moon shine for me, cuz.
Middle finger to our enemies, I'ma hold it down even if I catch a felony. Yeah, open season, open sesame. Anybody violate, gotta give them all the best of me. Doing shit that I wouldn't ordinarily. I'm laid back, till they came back with that jealousy. But this music is my therapy. Y'all niggas lucky cause I make it all memories.
You can be bored to death or even die laughing.
both while you still living, hopeful in high fashion. Talk what I've been through in life, what I encountered. It's sorta like blowing a trumpet, making announcements. A sermon that's disturbing to a serpent, a blessing to anyone in attendance. As soon as you hear the verbiage, I miss to throw your frame in the stretcher if you deserve it. Reverse prophetic, I saw you truth hitting in verses. Whatever come out of Satan's mouth is a lie perverted. It's hell out here, so keep God close on purpose. Life is a small hill to a mountain climber.
Han havde også ramt der ville han arbejdsmæssigt have kunne aldrig finde ud af noget. Hans far skulle give ham noget med at blive lidt sent. Jeg synes, jeg snakker om ord på den
I calm myself down. I'm just hanging out at my Somali family's place. I just need to relax, stay with these guys. I was just about to help my female cousin change out a light bulb in her car. But the video I'd looked up, her car was from a different year. So tomorrow I'll take a bit of a closer look at it, and then I'll contact the fucking retards I need to in the government to try and get this stuff fixed so that I can actually get to a doctor. But it's nice to stay here. I think I need it just to calm down.
Så nu de spiser.
Jeg elsker det her. Det er så lækkert. Tak, Etta.
Shanta bokol ban sto bin trapa no no so sara.
I just reminded Dion that we only have until the 19th to get stuff in order. He's gonna have to figure out exactly what he's gonna do as it pertains to, because he doesn't wanna. Apparently, he doesn't want to order the bus tickets. It's too difficult for him. He would much rather fly directly from Taiwan to Turkey. But there's still a matter of all the stuff he's not bringing to Taiwan, like his tent and the bicycle and the battery as well. You can't bring those on planes, so he would have to ship that. I don't know. He's not really acting. Let's see what happens.